Hi everyone, Deb here with Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and More. I have a brand new box from PotomacBeads to share with you today. I have agreed to be part of their YouTube influencer program this year, and I am very excited. They used to have two boxes, the regular one, I think it was X, and then the XL. And they were both kind of kit boxes with extras, but the larger one had multiple patterns in it instead of just one. Well, they have changed it based on comments from people that have purchased the kits in the past. And I am very excited because the best bead box, they used to call it, is now the treasure edition of the best bead box. Still comes in their nice little box. And then they have a kit edition. So the treasure edition, which is what I have here, does not include any kits. And then the kit edition is only kits. And we'll go through what's included because I have not opened the box yet. But the thing is, there will be, like, the treasure boxes will become available a month after they launch, but if you're not part of the subscription, it will be at a higher retail amount, and I don't know the dollar amounts. You would have to go to the website and see. These are available now for subscription, subscription. The kit subscription boxes will only be available through the subscription. There may be individual kits on the website for pieces of what's in that kit. I don't know all the details of that. However, the whole box will not be available after the subscription. So if you're someone that likes to do kits, you might be interested in the kit subscriptions. I am one who prefers not to use kits. Now, seed beading is different, but my primary focus is stringing and some bead weaving occasionally and using other products. So I'm kind of very excited to see what we get in here. And they have told me, well, let's open it and see. And they did send me with this first one, a bag, which honestly, with the state of my studio / craft room right now, I may need to keep my boxes in the bag when I'm finished with them for the month. So what I agreed to do is an unboxing and at least one tutorial. All right, so let's open this together and see what we have. Okay. Best Bead Box Treasure Edition, formerly regular. The techniques that you can use with it are stringing, bead weaving, freeform stitching. Larger than ever. 10 to 20 assorted packs of stash beads. So this is, the extras like they used to have in their original Best Bead Box had extras, and now what it is all extras. Stash may include a new collection each month, some product in multiple colorways, 2 to 3 inspiration videos provided for each box. I'm assuming by PotomacBeads, because I think there are going to be a number of YouTube influencers or other social media influencers. So you may be seeing lots of projects that you can do with these boxes. Premium stash beads that include crystals, check glass, pearls, seed beads, premium metals, etc. Hours of fun and inspiration. I am looking forward to that. Beginner friendly, yay. I'm not a beginner, but sometimes I am. Depends on the technique, right? And past boxes will become available a la carte after, this says several months. The sheet I had said after the month. So we'll go with several months, I guess, to give us time to work with it more. So, and then I will have a link down below my video for if you are interested in checking out these Best Bead Box Treasure Edition or the Kit Edition, which I'm not doing. You can go check that out. So let's see, nothing on the back. And this is Treasure Subscription. Discover the new PotomacBeads Treasure Box. This buried treasure. Ooh, isn't that exciting? I always wanted to dig a buried treasure. Anyway, this buried treasure box features beautiful bright copper tones. Ooh. One-of-a-kind vintage checked glass. That sounds cool. And exotic shapes and colors. Create your own simple strung jewelry designs or create a detailed masterpiece. I'm kind of more on the simple side, but we'll see. So let's see. Oh, here's on the back. So this tells me what is in here. And I will be sharing my design or designs. Probably what I'm going to do is make, design a few things, and one we'll make together as a tutorial, and then I may just do a project share for other pieces. I don't know. Let's dig in. I'm excited. So here we have what appears to be checked glass. I'm very excited, actually. Ooh. Ooh. Already, I love these. These, I didn't bring my handy dandy bead ruler up, but these appear to be 8mm, I think, checked glass. And they're like a topaz with sort of a sparkly gold luster on them or something. They are, ooh, sorry for the bad lighting, of course. I'll bring them up close. Gorgeous. And then we have some blue. I don't know what you call these. Sort of graduated saucer beads. They are interesting. And they're not all the same. Well, maybe they are, but they turn sideways and they look different. Like if you turn them that way, it looks like a point. If you turn them this way, it's like a double pointed rondelle. I don't know what to call them. Maybe they'll have them on their website. I don't know. I did read somewhere that some of the things in this box may not be on the website. You can only get them in the box. And these are leaves, which I love. I have a thing for leaves. I don't always use them, but I'm going to force myself to use them. And they are drilled front to back, so they'll be nice to hang as charms on something. And they're like a mint. Actually, they're not really mint. There's more of a, I would say soft seafoam kind of a color with a silver edging. I'm not showing them very well, sorry. It is a rainy day here today, and I have all my lights possible on here, except one, because since I have the microphone plugged into the computer now, I can't have my little ring light on either till I get another outlet plug. There we go. So those are cool. Love those. Then we have some rounds in like I don't know if I call that teal. What's the, there's a name for this. Marine blue, maybe? I don't know. They're about 4mm, I'm going to go with. You know, me and my blues. I like blue and teal and 2 strands of these. I think they're the same color. They are like, first I thought they were black, but I think they're like a garnet kind of color, which is nice for January because garnet is the birthstone, and my birthday was yesterday, so this is a wonderful birthday present. Thank you, PotomacBeads. Okay, now we have another bag here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it tells me on here what's in here. Okay, well, we'll go down and check it afterwards to make sure I didn't misstate anything for you. Okay? Ooh, we got some storage containers, which would be great for these itty-bitty little beads. Awesome. And these are the kind that, you know, they unscrew. I have some containers with some of these in, which actually have some check shapes in, like daggers and stuff. Okay, these are cool. These remind me of Aztec colors. I'm going to take them out of the bag. And I need to get the name of these right. Okay, the check leaves are 9 by 15. Check, I guess these are called nuggets. Check nuggets, 5 by 7. Check smooth rounds, 4mm. And faceted rounds, 7mm. I was close. I said 8. And these are 3mm check glass rounds. I don't know if I was supposed to get 2, but I did. And then these, I think, must be Eva beads. And they are 2-hole. Or are they 3? They're 2-hole. Aren't those colors pretty together, though? Gorgeous. Those are gorgeous. Okay. Love them. And look how nice they go with these colors. Ooh. All right, let's see what else we have. Ooh, ball head pins in a copper color. And they're thinner. They're on the thinner side, which is good because if I want to fit them through these little beads, but you get a lot of them. 36. That's enough to do quite a bit. Yeah, nice. I won't take them out. We got an antique copper plated 13mm simple toggle. Awesome. I can take that out. There we go. Simple toggle. Potomac Beads is known for having quality items, and I have enjoyed their beads. Ooh, their beads in the past. I don't have many of these, so this is great. These are like bails that you can put on your stringing material or whatever, or hook them on with a jump ring, perhaps. Oops. And you get 5 of those. So those are interesting. See, I kind of thought they'd go, well, no. I don't know. I've never used these before. Have you used these? I will have to, oh, I think you could, duh. I'm a little slow today. I'm just getting over being sick, so forgive me. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. The beading material or thread or whatever goes through, or leather goes through here, and then you can dangle whatever off the ring. Duh. That makes a lot more sense, right? What was I thinking? I don't know. This looks really cool. Ooh, it's a button. It's a button. Oh, it looks like it's black. It has a little indent here. I'm going to try and get it showing a lot better. Isn't that really pretty? Ooh. And it has a shank on it, so this would be nice for a bead weaving closure or however else I feel like I can use it. I don't know. One sec. Okay, I was looking up on the, the listing. It is a check glass vintage button. That's cool. Check glass. That is really cool. Yep. Okay, now we have 3 more bags here. And the plated bails are 9mm, it says. These are Potomac crystal. These are a really pretty color. Montana, they're a Montana blue, 4mm. Potomac crystal bicones and 4mm Montana blue. I can talk, okay. Isn't that gorgeous? It almost looks like velvet on the screen. Velvet with sparkle. How gorgeous. Oh, I'm in love with this because you know I'm a blue girl, and that is a gorgeous color. Okay. Okay, and then we have got some pearls. Let's see. I'm trying to, oh, Potomac pearls, 4mm. They go really good with the leaves, or these dark colors, or these. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Again, I love the color. This kit, I guess Potomac Beads designed this kit for me because, man, these colors are speaking to me. Wow. Yeah, oh, it says it right on here. The color is Comet, and it's 4mm, and it's a 10-inch strand. Very pretty. And one more. And these are not labeled, so we'll find out. These are rounds. So these are crystal rounds, crystal rondelles, 3 by 4 millimeter. And they are in a clear, trying to see if they're clear AB or clear. I think they're just clear, but they are definitely sparkly. Those are gorgeous too. They'll go with anything. And I don't know, it doesn't say how many you get, but there's a lot of them there. So plenty to work with. And then lastly, for us stringing ladies and gents, they sent 7-strand nylon coated stainless steel Potomac's beading cable, 16.4 feet, and it's 0.018 inch diameter or 0.46 millimeter. Flexibility is good. It actually feels more flexible than some 7 millimeters I've felt. So that's, I mean 7 strand I felt. So that is good. So I just will need like maybe some crimps, or if I decide to do bead weaving, some thread. But you know, I don't know. I'm not going to pick a favorite here today, but you know, blues and greens. Blues and greens are me. So I do want to thank PotomacBeads for allowing me to join in this YouTube program and have a play with their monthly treasure subscription box. And I will be coming back probably in about a week, honestly, with a tutorial. Maybe sooner than that, if I can get to it over the weekend. We'll see. But I'll say about a week, and I will have something to share with you, or more than one something. We'll just see what I come up with. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you will take the link down below and check out the 2 editions of the new PotomacBeads boxes. This one, the treasure subscription, and the other one, if you're a kit person and you just prefer to already have the instructions made out for you, then the kit edition would be the best one for you probably. Also, every month, well, it says each month, so there will be 10 recipients of golden tickets. And those lucky subscribers, I guess your box would have it in it, those lucky subscribers will receive a special giveaway, which will be revealed during the live YouTube unboxing by PotomacBeads, not by the influencers, but by PotomacBeads. So let me see if I missed anything. Yeah, beginner-friendly materials in this one, used for basic stringing, more complex techniques such as bead weaving. I just am in love with these colors, and I also do like copper. I'm a silver girl at heart, but I like copper. It gives it sometimes a little more rustic feel, and I think it'll go beautifully with these. So I'm looking forward to trying these. I might have gotten something like this in previous Potomac bead boxes, but honestly I haven't used them yet, so I need to get in order. Oh, and look, I have purple on today, so that'll go with purple too. Anyway, and I'm really looking forward to doing something with these as well. I just said about a month ago on one of my videos that I really need to find some bail things because I haven't been able to find ones that weren't like too big. I wanted some smaller ones, so there you go. I have some. All right, everyone, I will let you go. I don't want to prolong this, but this is my first unboxing of the treasure subscription box by PotomacBeads. And like I said, I will have the link down below. Please use that to go check out the subscription boxes, either one, if you're interested. I'm not going to quote prices because honestly, I did not check. I don't know what the prices are, so you'll have to go to the website and check. And yeah, I guess that's about it. Thank you for watching. Come back and see what other goodies I'm going to have on my channel. Thank you, everyone. Bye for now.